Hi, welcome, and thanks to all of you out there for sharing your time with us. My wife and I, Chantel, would like to bring to your attention an issue that's very close to our hearts, something that we basically have tried to incorporate throughout the journey the last 7 years with this project. And finally, after 7 years of hard work, we are now able to present to the world our findings, and would like to share that with all of you in the hopes that one day we together can make a difference. But not one day in the inevitable future. One day, like how about today? So today we'd like to start by explaining to you how we see the future, specifically with regard to the alimentation, the feeding of this world, this planet. So we have experts who tell us that basically the world cannot sustain a population above 6.8, 7 billion, 8 point what have you. We're here to say to all those people out there, that is incorrect. In a very simple demonstration now, we would like to explain to the whole world how we can sustain a population of over 9 billion people. We can eradicate world hunger. In what way, you ask? Very simply. Behind us, we have a parcel of our proprietary caster, which, as you all know, is used to make biofuels, eco-fuels, eco-diesel, and eco-gasoline, an eco-additive that you can all put together, mix with your regular fossil fuel. That we all know. But what you don't know is that here, below me, you see an array of fruits. Here we are in Eden. It has a name, Eden, for very good reason. We're here to replicate on a small scale, not that small, considering it's 100 kilometers from the southern point of our project to the northern point, and over 30 kilometers wide right now, which we are expanding. So, even though it's quite large, it's small. Because why? Because we would like to transform the whole world into an Eden. That is our mission. Maybe we can't do it in our lifetime, but we have 2 daughters, and we are going to do our best to ensure that they have the best possible chance of sustaining their future for their children and their children's children. So here today, very simply put, we have your lemons, your limes, your oranges, your mandarins, along with your banana. So that's an example of the food products, along with coffee. Everybody loves coffee. Well, here we have the coffee. So if you look behind me, you can see orange trees, banana trees, coffee trees, lemon trees, lime trees. These are the fruits of Eden. And one of the fruits in Eden, known as the plant of compassion, is what we have here. Why we're all here today to discuss. Castor. This is known as the tree of compassion. Why? Because it gives of itself for the benefit of all the other plants, so that they may sustain human beings, us, Adam, our lives, our families' lives, and nourish us. So here we are to nourish your mind. We'd like you to all go away, go home, go out with your friends, talk about it, debate it. We challenge anybody to come on over and see for themselves. Here we have a physical example of where we, human beings on this planet, can and will eradicate world hunger, along with eliminating plastic, all of that you can see on other videos. But right now, with regard to the food, think about this. The world farms 2.1 billion hectares of arable land. That's good fertile land that is accessible, and we use that for food production. Here we are not trying to challenge any of that land. Here we have given you guys an example of, on the same land, we maximize our potential. We create the energy the world needs to revolve, to sustain. At the same time, the energy mankind needs to revolve and sustain. So, the beautiful thing about Castor is we can transform non-arable land into arable food-producing land. So, here we are. We'd like you guys to come along and participate. When the world has available and accessible 5.6 billion hectares of non-arable land that we do not use for food production, we propose very simply, without challenging the land that we use for food production, we would like to go in and farm 20% of the land that is available and accessible. However, it's non-arable, not good for food production. And we would like to transform that 20%, because that 20% would equate to the daily and annual consumption of our planet with regard to energy and fossil fuels. However, that being said, we are not here to challenge and eradicate fossil fuel. We are here to work together with fossil fuel. Together, not apart. Okay? Together. We are here. So we would like you guys to work together. We together can and will find solutions and pave the way for a brighter, greener future so that all our families can live in love, harmony, prosperity. Please, we pledge to you guys, if you support us, we'll continue what we do, but we need your support. So go on, go rally people like we rally every day. That's what we're here to do. We're rallying you and we're challenging you. We invite everybody to Eden. We love you and we would like to see you soon. Thank you, and thank God for Eden and all the wonderful things He has given us. Remember, we have a short time on this planet. It's what we do that will make the difference and that will be remembered forever. Blessings, and we love you all. Thank you for sharing your time with us. We hope to see you soon.